Well, I was gonna go to the chiropractor today, but I'm having a very productive day. And I don't want to go to a chiropractor with all that going on. So usually when I have a productive day, the next day is not productive. So I've decided I'm going to go tomorrow. And if you were eating breakfast, well, I didn't. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about, and I'm not going to go into detail. But tomorrow I'll go see the doctor. And today I'm going to get these ACs in. Maybe not bevs today. I still have 2 vertical boards I need to cut and paint, but I want to get mine in and get it off of there and be done with it. So if there's anything I gotta have for bevs, I'll know, and there'll be enough day left to go get it. So all right, next stop, my house with the AC. All right, this is where it's going. All right, I got those pieces into the jams, window jams. Now the hard part. I carry the AC in here and fix it right in here and then screw it into them. Okay, I got it almost where I want it. I gotta do a little wiggling, but I gotta catch my breath. And then we're gonna start screwing it in. Okay. Alrighty. So now, here's the reason we've done this. We keep the house at about 78 during the day, and that's just fine for us. We got a ceiling fan, and you know, it moves the air, and we're quite comfortable at 78. But at night, I gotta have it a little cooler in order for me to sleep. I can't sleep at 78. So I turned the whole house down to 73, which is just tolerable for me to sleep, and it's right on the edge of too cold for my wife to sleep. So that's our happy medium right there. So instead of cooling the whole house down just for this one room of AC at night, just for, you know, 8 hours, we're going to run this at night and cool the bedroom down and just leave the house at 78. That's number one. Number two, I can run this off our generator when we lose power. And that's what that thing is there for. It's a cap that unscrews, and you slide the cord through, plug it into a generator. Got a little small generator just for smaller things like this. And, you know, carrying around my yard for a drill and that kind of stuff, anything I need. I couldn't pick my other generators up anymore. They've gained a lot of weight as I've gotten older. So there's one. I gotta come in and touch up a little bit with paint, and then I gotta go outside and caulk. So, you know, it's completely weather tight. I'm around where, you know, I screwed it in. I got the boards up there. I'll show you on the outside. But yeah, that's what I gotta do next is caulk and a little bit of paint, and this is done. So now, while I'm doing this, I gotta go measure something over at Bev's house and get a couple of boards cut, and I'm gonna get them started paint on them so they'll dry, and maybe I'll be able to get that in before the day's out. That would be nice. All right, so let's go outside now. I gotta go down to the shop, and you know what? I'm not gonna caulk it until we're done with the rain for a couple of days. So I'm gonna get Bev's in. I only got 1 tube of caulking left. And if I open the tube, I want to be able to do both ours and hers, so I don't waste a tube of caulking or have to buy another tube. All right, so back to the shop. Okay, that project is done. I got ours in and caulked, Bev's in and caulked, and painted, and we're good to go. That was two big projects I got done. Now all we need to get is them to lift the burn ban so we can get some of this fallen trees out of here and limbs. Okay, thanks for watching. My mother-in-law had a terrible wreck. She wasn't injured too badly, and she had good insurance. Turns out they're going to buy her a new broom, and they won't cover the pointy hat though. We'll have to buy the pointy hat ourselves.